Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel and for today's video. So guys, punta na naman ako sa palengke para bumili ng mga laces. Nakikita nga mag-iid. So, kailangan. Or else, magiging malungkot ang aking biyanan. Nagpo kami ng raksha. Excuse me, Yango? क्या नाम है?
मेरा नाम अख्तर है।
अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, so, yan. Nandito na ako. So, ito na kami ng ito yung kasi yung pinakamagandang madaling kumbaga hindi mo na kailangan discussion kasi nga alam na rin kung saan kabila dagat. So yun nga, sarado pa yung mga stores dito, yung mga canteen kasi nga Ramadan pa at tulad na dati hindi pa rin kumatapos. Guys, dito ako umili ng mga laces. Ayan, ang dami, diba? Yan, mga laces yan. Ayan, ang dami. So guys, nandito nga ako sa laces. Bibili ng laces. Ito yung lagi namin bilibilhan, kaya walang problema. Siya na lang maghahanap. So, I'm home and ito nga yung mga damit. So, itong mga damit na ito is actually from my mother-in-law. Binigyan niya ako ng mga damit for Eid. Yan. That's the design, but I'm gonna change the design. And this one, the second one is also 3 pieces of dress, the dubata, the shirt, and the pajama. So, ito yung binili kong lace kasi nga yung damit may design na ganyan. Medyo maganda na yung design niya. Kung bibili naman ako, ganito yung design. So kung bibili ako ng malaki, mag-over na siya. So malit lang, para ganito lang, parang lang sa side. Ganito ang style ng damit, pero babaguhin ko siya. Babaguhin ko ang style or design. At ito naman yung pangatlo. pink, pure pink siya. Lahat ng kulay ay may design na rin siya or may mga laces na rin nakasama yung telang binigay ng aking biyanan. So 3 pieces with laces. Pero bumili pa rin ako nitong laces na to para sa dubata. At dahil nga mayroon ng lace, dubata lang ang lalagyan ko ng lace. Pero dadagdagan ko siya ng ibang kulay dahil nga baby pink at halos lahat ng kulay ng design ng damit is light. So para mabuhay yung ating damit, nagdagdag ako ng ibang kulay. Lagyan ko ng ganitong kulay ng pipings, ocean green. Or tortoise green. Iba yung kulay niya dito sa video. Pero yeah, tortoise green yan. Matingkad lang yung kulay ng pagka-green niya. Kasi nga ganito yung style. Talagang light na light. Dal siya, diba? So I'm gonna add pipings with a contrast color. These are all the clothes that I am going to give to the tailor for the Eid. We're celebrating 3 days of Eid here in Pakistan. So we will be needing 3 dresses or 3 new dresses as well. Lalong-lalo na here in the family of my husband. It's a part of their tradition or culture of the family that there should be or everyone should have, especially the girls or the women, has new dresses. And I'm just lucky to have a nice mother-in-law who is always providing my new dresses for the Eid yearly. And it's always 3 dresses. Don't buy ready-made always. Actually, there is a lot of ready-made as well, but you know the size is it's hard to find the exact size. Especially, I am petite or small girl, so it's very hard for me to find a dress unless I go to the kids section. So it's good that at least if you have always a tailored dress, you can make your own design. But of course, you need a good tailor. And I am very thankful because my sister-in-law has a good tailor, and they always ask me to also give my dresses to the same tailor that they have. And the good thing is, I don't have any much problem when it comes to stitching. They can stitch according to my style or whatever I want to be. This is all for today, and thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.